Now we are going to discuss the rules to draw the ray diagrams in front of a lens. Means images formed by lens. To understand the image formed by the lens, we have to draw the ray diagrams. To draw the ray diagrams, we have to follow some rules. Those rules we have to discuss now. Now see that first one, a light ray which is passing parallel to the principal axis. If you take a convex lens, this is a convex lens, this is the principal axis, or if you take a concave lens also, for both we can discuss the rule. This is the principal axis, this is the optical center. Now a light ray passing parallel to the principal axis, this is the light ray passing parallel to the principal axis. When it enters into the refracting surface, it can converge like this through the focus. Here also one focus will be there. So light ray passing parallel to the principal axis, after refraction passes through the focus. See that for incident ray you have to denote with one arrow mark. For the refracted ray you have to denote with one arrow mark. So in the same way here also for concave lens. For concave lens, if you take a light ray passing like this, which is passing parallel to the principal axis, then it will diverge like this, refracts and diverge like this, appears to pass through the focus. So if this is focus, this is also one focus, it appears to pass through this. So here the light ray is converging at focus. So it is considered as converging lens. So a convex lens is also called as a converging lens. Here the light ray is diverging. After refraction it diverges the light ray. So a concave lens is called as a diverging lens. And second rule, exactly quite opposite to this, again take a convex lens. For the convex lens, this is the optical center, principal axis. Now I will take a light ray which is passing through the focus. So light ray passing through the focus like this. When it enters into the refracting medium, means a lens, after refraction it passes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, if you take a concave lens here, concave lens, this is the principal axis, optical center. Now a light ray I will take which is appearing to pass through the focus, means this is the light ray, this is the light ray, it appears to pass through the focus. After refraction this is also passing parallel to the principal axis. So both these two rules are exactly opposite to each other. Another rule, that is third one, if you take a convex lens, now a light ray which is passing through the optical center, without any deviation, means it cannot refract. Only one light ray which is passing through the optical center, it will not refract, it passes through the same line, so it cannot refract. So here also without any diverging, without any diversion, it passes through the principal optical center. So by using these three rules we can draw the ray diagrams to understand the images formed by the lens. Both convex lens and concave lens we can discuss.